Ndewonu. Glad to have you here again on Nwada Canada, where we continue learning Igbo language and culture step by step in a simple and practical way. Let's begin our Igbo speaking journey with Ada, a beginner learner who is just starting to form simple sentences. Today, Ada is learning 3 basic sentence patterns you can use every day. Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Number 1. Abum. I am. Ada asked, how do I say I am Nwada Canada in Igbo? Teacher, say Abum Nwada Canada. Ada, Abum Nwada Canada. Teacher, good. You can also say Abum Nwanyi. I am a woman. Number 2. Enwerem. I have. Ada, how do I say I have book in Igbo? Teacher, say enwerem akwụkwọ. Ada, enwerem akwụkwọ. Teacher, well done. More examples. Enwerem ego. I have money. Third one. Achọrọ. I want. Ada, how do I say I want water in Igbo? Teacher, say achọrọ mmiri. Ada, achọrọ mmiri. Teacher, excellent. More examples. Achọrọ nri. I want food. In Igbo sentence building, always remember Abum, I am. Enwerem, I have. Achọrọ, I want. These are your foundation for speaking Igbo. Now, it's your turn, like Ada. Write one sentence using Abum, Enwerem, Achọrọ. Let's see your answer in the comments. Share, like, subscribe, and follow Nwada Canada for simple Igbo lessons. Daalụ.